हेलो बैंकर्स, वेरी वेरी गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। वेलकम बैक। सो आशा करते हैं आप सभी लोग काफी अच्छे होंगे। सो गाइस, द CAIB June 2025 admit cards are out now. So now like the very first paper is ABM, ठीक है। तो BFM के लिए I have done so many things, बहुत सारे सेशंस आपका किए हैं, and this time luckily we have 10 to 12 days in our hand so to prepare for BFM as well, ठीक है। And I'll be coming with आपका न्यूमेरिकल्स एंड केस स्टडीज ड्यूरिंग दैट पर्टिकुलर पीरियड। नाउ इट इज अबाउट ABM सब्जेक्ट, ठीक है। तो जहां पे सबसे आपका लीस्ट कंटेंट अभी तक मैंने डिलीवर किया था, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम कंप्लीटली टारगेटिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस। वी आर हैविंग रेगुलर सेशन आपका मॉर्निंग एंड इवनिंग। Sometime whenever I miss any area, so I provide the आपका recorded one. Now we have few days. So what should be our course of action and how I'm going to help you in this preparation journey? There are so many people, those who are asking for the schedule. Ki sir, what will be the schedule, regular things and all. So now like we have 10 days in our hand, 8 to 10 days आपका, ठीक है। So marathon session obviously will be having from Sunday onwards. Sunday itself will have one marathon session. Then आपका the entire week will be led by the marathon. But before that, few things which I want to communicate with this particular video, ठीक है। So guys, we have 4 module आपका: statistic, human resource management, credit management, compliance in banks and corporate governance, ठीक है। All the 4 module they have equal weightage. This is CIB examination, ठीक है। There is no आपका कि less important, more important, ठीक है। So those who have आपका HRM as a elective subject, they are definitely going to have some sort of advantages, because this module B is completely summary of that HRM elective paper. तो इसका ज्यादा टेंशन नहीं लेना है, ठीक है। I hope you guys preparing for that particular one. And Disha ma'am already have done so many videos around the complete HRM things and all. If not, you can go for those compilation and all. They are definitely going to help you out, ठीक है। First thing, credit management आपका I'm doing regular basis, ठीक है। On regular basis I'm covering the things and all, ठीक है। So I'm having a target like before Sunday I'll be completing the entire credit management concept as well as आपका your MCQs and case studies, ठीक है। Then just after that this is some portion of statistic आपका done by Piyush sir, ठीक है। One playlist, I'll show you the playlist also so you can take references, and even during your examination I'll be adding some sessions in this particular one. And just after credit management I'll be working on compliance in bank and corporate governance, and we'll be having marathon session, individual marathon session for all the 4 subjects, ठीक है। So now when it comes to the CIB examination, your concepts are must, okay? So you have to go through the concept. Do not only rely on the your kind of unit wise MCQs or the overall marathon things and all. I'll not recommend that particular one, ठीक है। बिकॉज पिछले साल हमने जो एक्सपीरियंस किया, काफी ज्यादा टफर साइड में चीजें रहते हैं। सो व्हाट आई कैन रिकमेंड टू ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस, एटलीस्ट गो थ्रू दीज पर्टिकुलर सेशंस, आपका दीज पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक्स वंस आपका, ठीक है, कॉन्सेप्चुअली, ठीक है। एक बार इनके कॉन्सेप्ट्स को जरूर पढ़िए आप यू कैन गो विद द PDFs और यू कैन गो विद द बुक्स एंड ऑल, ठीक है। दैट इज काइंड ऑफ अ मस्ट थिंग, ठीक है। सो जस्ट वंस यू विल डेवलप द बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स एंड ऑल, then that unit wise practice or unit wise MCQs and case studies and the module mock or unit mock, they are definitely going to help you out in that particular situation, ठीक है। So this is a kind of things जहां पे we have already done with this is आपका done by Disha ma'am, you can go for that particular one concept wise. This I'm doing and I can make sure कि this I'll complete before your examination. Concept for these things I'll be doing before your Monday to Tuesday आपका, ठीक है। By Tuesday you'll get concept summaries for all these one as well as unit wise MCQs. One thing I request to all of you for HRM, just take references of do connect me on Telegram. I'll share the compiled video of HRM by Disha ma'am, ठीक है। So they'll help you out, and for this one also I have compiled videos आपका, ठीक है। So you can go for those particular one, ठीक है। So the overall आपका, if you ask me the overall strategy, it is all about concept. I'll give utmost priority to concept, ठीक है। Then go for unit wise MCQs and module wise MCQs, ठीक है, और practice आपका, ठीक है। And one another thing I'll be adding from Monday onwards, every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 4 days आपका 4 mock, module wise mock, ठीक है। So I'll be adding in free section आपका, तो अगर आप लोग application पे नहीं है, please do download that particular one. So I'll be making those particular mock test by Monday. So Monday you'll get module A mock test, Tuesday module B आपका, or else whatever the marathon session will do. Let's say we have done with the concept classes of module C, I'll make available one mock test with 100 questions or more than that, so you can practice things again and again. ठीक है? So similarly I'll do for the all mocks and the आपका compiled mock also, the full length mock as well as module mock. ठीक है? And we'll be having some marathon sessions for sure. Monday to Saturday आपका every day there will be marathon, morning and evening. Mostly it will be in live, and whenever I'll miss any live, I'll make sure कि you'll get things in recorded one. So that is very important कि you have to consume that particular content itself, right? So there are few things आपका which I want to like how you'll access those who are not getting things. I have already started uploading PDFs as well. So if you'll come to my YouTube channel here itself, so if you'll come to the आपका playlist section, I'll make a separate playlist for this ABM 10 days strategy and all. Right now I'm doing these particular sessions on regular basis. Morning आपका usually we do the concept classes, and evening we generally practice these particular things, so unit wise practice and all. And आपका from Monday onwards we'll be having regular आपका marathon sessions. Morning I'll come up with one concept summary for the entire module of module A and module B, and C and D. Till that time I'll be completing unit wise आपका with detail one. ठीक है? So I'll never compromise on content part because it is completely a game of content, and I'll make sure if you'll go through that particular content, that is definitely going to help you out. I'm not saying that you will be able to score 90 or 80 and all, because I have just started these particular thing. In AFM I can make some sort of commitments आपका, but ABM आपका, even in BRBL also we can make some sort of commitment. We have fundamentals videos, आपका concept summary, and आपका Macmillan things, और आपका unit wise MCQs and cases. ABFM I'll get time, I'll make sure, but ABM के अंदर you just पुश योर सेल्फ कि आप 50 प्लस लेके आइए, रेस्ट आई विल बी टेकिंग केयर. ठीक है? तो ये कमिटमेंट थोड़ा सा आप अपनी तरफ से कीजिए, एंड आई एम गिविंग माय डे एंड नाइट, and we'll be providing you best content so you can achieve success in single attempt itself, right? So ये थोड़े से playlist आपके हैं, and if you have any doubt, any queries, you can connect me on Telegram. Again, it is guys, this is a game of concept, not just practice and all. ठीक है? So concept areas are the utmost priority. Please do focus on these particular one. जितना ज्यादा से ज्यादा कॉन्सेप्ट को आप रिवाइज कर सकते हैं, चीजों को गो थ्रू कर सकते हैं, दैट इज अल्टीमेटली गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. ठीक है? टू सॉल्व एमसीक्यूज और अदर्स. एंड फॉर प्रैक्टिस पार्ट आई विल बी एडिंग मॉक टेस्ट आपका. तो मॉक टेस्ट विल बी अवेलेबल टू ऑल ऑफ यू, राइट? सो एप्लीकेशन का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया है, वहां से यू कैन एक्सेस दोज पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स. ऑलराइट, सो वी हैव 8 to 10 days. विल मेक बेस्ट आउट ऑफ इट. ठीक है? बहुत अच्छी से मेहनत करेंगे, डे नाइट लगा देंगे, एंड वी विल बी able to score very good marks in ABM as well. ठीक है? तो ABM I'm taking as a challenge कि बढ़िया से एकदम मेहनत करेंगे, और like that things कि ऐसी चीजें आपको प्रिपेयर करेंगे जो आपको एग्जैक्ट एग्जामिनेशन में हेल्प करें, एंड दैट इज समथिंग will align our content with the Macmillan things. Eventually it is going to we all are going to make it possible, right? So regular basis पे आपका टच में रहिए. If you are facing any issue, just ping me on Telegram. आपका कई बार मिस हो जाता है, स्किप हो जाता है, आप डायरेक्टली मुझे पिंग कीजिए वहां पे. ठीक है? You can directly send me messages on my Telegram ID. ठीक है? आप and whenever I'll get back, whenever I'll get time, I'll definitely get back to you, and I'll share my number if you require any other help also, right? So बढ़िया से मेहनत करते हैं आने वाले कुछ दिनों में, and I'll see you in the classes, guys. All the very best for your preparation, and thank you for watching this session. Bye bye, take care all, and all the very best. Thank you.